Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with iShares ETFs. Review my usage experience. iShares ETFs Review My Usage Experience offers a platform for researching and analyzing iShares exchange-traded funds, ETFs. Its main purpose is to help investors understand the performance, holdings, and risk factors associated with various iShares ETFs. The target audience is likely individual investors and financial advisors looking for in-depth ETF data. Key features likely include detailed portfolio holdings, historical performance charts, and risk analysis tools. Their website provides details on specific features and access levels. Their website details various subscription tiers, offering different levels of access to data and analytical tools. They emphasize data accuracy and transparency. The service positions itself as a comprehensive resource for iShares ETF research, offering a streamlined approach compared to sifting through individual ETF fact sheets. Availability is accessible via their website. No special software or applications are required. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using iShares ETFs. Review my usage experience. Getting started was straightforward. Signing up and navigating to the ETF research section was intuitive. The interface is clean and easy to use. I was particularly impressed by the interactive charts displaying historical ETF performance. It was simple to compare different ETFs side by side. I used the feature to analyze the performance of several technology-focused ETFs over the past 5 years, which provided valuable insights for my portfolio diversification. The search functionality worked flawlessly, allowing me to quickly find specific ETFs by ticker symbol or keyword. The quality of the data seemed accurate and up-to-date. I had a quick question about a specific data point and their support responded within 2 days via email. A standout feature for me was definitely the ability to download data in various formats for further analysis in my spreadsheet software. One minor drawback was the somewhat limited selection of advanced charting tools. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with iShares ETFs. Review my usage experience. It significantly streamlined my ETF research process and provided valuable data for my investment decisions. That's my overview of iShares ETFs. Review my usage experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.